Well, just got my first Relic. Got a percussion cap. It's about 4 or 5 inches deep. Real soft signal. Still at the construction site. Chuck's behind those trees talking to some Relic hunters. Got another percussion cap. Thing was probably 3 or 4 inches deep. Getting all kinds of small stuff, and the junk is really big. All right, I just got a good signal. Got it out of the hole. Look. That's the hole over there. I just scraped it up. It's about maybe 6 inches deep. Some kind of bullet. I don't know if it looks like it's fired or maybe cut off. Almost looks like a sharps on the bottom. Could be a Williams cleaner. I don't know. Kind of short. All right. Another bullet for the collection. We're starting to get some fall colors here. Yeah, it's another place we used to hunt.
This is the historical marker up here on the right.
It was all woods and hardly any big colonial roadbed. Yeah, it's all developed.
Just a marker.
Here. I didn't find a whole lot today, and found out that the place had been hunted for about 3 weeks. We saw 3 guys up there today, and talked to 2 of the guys that were using Deus. And one guy had actually had a bliss tool last year that he bought from us. And there's a percussion cap, and another one here. And this is a Williams cleaner, looks like, fired. I thought this was fired, but I think it might be melted. It's like a 3-ringer. All right, if you like my video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks.